Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to change the width of tabs in the Google. So Chrome web browser. First, open the Google Chrome browser on your computer. Make sure that you're using the latest version of Google Chrome to ensure compatibility with the settings. We are going to adjust. To access the internal settings page, type the following into the address bar. Chrome. Flags. Then press Enter on your keyboard. This page contains experimental features and settings that allow you to customize how Chrome behaves. Once the page opens, you will see a search bar at the top. Click inside the search bar and type in the words tab scrolling. You should see an option called Enable Tab Scrolling. This option allows you to change how tabs are displayed when there are many tabs open at the same time. Next, click the drop-down menu next to Enable Tab Scrolling. You will see several options. The options include Pin Tab Width, Medium Width, Large Width, and None. Pin Tab Width makes the tabs smaller, which is useful if you want to fit more tabs on the screen. Medium Width makes the tabs a little larger, providing a balance between size and visibility. Large Width makes the tabs even bigger, which can make the tab titles easier to read. The None option keeps the tabs at their full size no matter how many tabs are open. Choose the option that suits your preference. After selecting your option, you will see a button at the bottom of the page that says Relaunch. Click Relaunch to restart the browser and apply the changes. Keep in mind that restarting the browser will close and reopen all of your current tabs, so make sure to save any work before proceeding. Once Chrome restarts, your new tab size settings will take effect. You can always return to the Chrome Flags page and change the settings again if you want to try a different option. That is how you can change the tab width in Google Chrome. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial was helpful.